if you've ever talked to anybody who did any childbirth education, they'll often say, why bother? I forgot everything anyways. The birth plan went out the window, yada, 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 yada. And it's true. And I make a distinction between childbirth education and childbirth preparation. When we educate ourselves, we are using the part of the body that actually needs to check out when it comes to birth. We educate with the mind, with the brain, with our frontal lobe, neocortex. We learn stuff, we understand stuff, we judge stuff. But when we're actually in labor, the hormones in labor change our brain waves to such a degree that recall, remembering, accessing stuff you learned 6 weeks ago is not something that you can really tap into. You know, I remember when I used to do childbirth education, I would have these wonderful moments. I'd be working with my clients and families, and they would be like, yeah, this is great, I understand, I totally groove this makes a lot of sense to me. And then fast forward a few weeks, and so this is the condensed version of what I would witness. Mom goes into labor, the birthing person goes into labor, and she's like, okay, honey, I think this is starting. Can you get the book, the binder thing from the class? The classes that we took, the birthing classes thing. Yeah, it's hang on just a second. It's on the shelf. I over there. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. Can you get to the chapter on the breathing and the relaxing thing and I don't know where it is. Can you just get the book? And I would see this like crazy spiraling of trying to remember what they had learned. And I was like, we got to be doing something differently. So enter a piece around hypnobirthing where we're using the practices of deep focus relaxation, deep focus meditation, complete breath work, understanding how to let go, and we're practicing that work. We're practicing movement. We're practicing getting our pelvises and babies into the best and optimal position for labor and birth, so that when you actually go into labor, it's not recall. It's your body going, oh yeah, I know how to relax. I know how to breathe. I have been practicing this. I have been using this movement. My partner has been doing this light touch massage. We've been practicing all of those tools and techniques over the course of the last several weeks, so that labor then becomes just this continuation of what's begun in your childbirth preparation. And that's very different, in my opinion, than childbirth education.